So, good evening everyone. Welcome to episode 3 of Sportscast. और आज हमारे साथ as a guest we have Tulsa and soon in Gandhinagar, IIT Gandhinagar, we are planning to start offline activities धीरे-धीरे करके in a controlled manner. तो हम लोग उसके लिए स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल अभी पहले सोच रहे हैं योगा से स्टार्ट करें और उसमें तुलसा विल बी लीडिंग द वे एंड शी हैज बीन नोन फॉर परफॉर्मिंग योगा फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम नाउ एंड वो नेशनली रैंक भी है, काफी योगा कॉम्पिटिशन में उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट भी किया है एंड वी आर फॉर्चुनेट दैट तुलसा हैज अग्रीड टू जॉइन अस टुनाइट. So welcome Tulsa to Sportscast episode 3. Hi. So आप क्या लग रहा है अभी आप योगा स्टार्ट करने वाले हो, क्या है रूटीन, आपने क्या सोच के रखा है, व्हाट डू यू हैव इन माइंड फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस, क्या करने वाले हो आप?
Hi, good evening all. Actually, we are planning to do a yoga session in 4 days in a week, and there are different like first day we will do Surya Namaskar. Then there are different type of activities are there.
अच्छा, okay.
And as we know, yoga is the feeling of tranquility, and we are focusing on strengthening and the flexibility of the our body. So we are planning to do yoga in a different way. First of all, I would like to say, sir, am I?
We have lost Tulsa's audio. Abhishek, can you hear her?
No, I can't hear her at all.
तुलसा आपका शायद हेडफोन अनप्लग हो गया उसके लैपटॉप से, शायद आवाज नहीं आ रही. हाँ अभी आ रही है. या ऑनलाइन मोड के अपने ही ट्रबल्स. अभिषेक
बिल्कुल ट्रबल्स हो रही है.
So actually, there is some problem in a microphone, I guess. Am I audible now?
हाँ, you're audible. We can hear you, Tulsa.
Shall I continue or I have to repeat once more?
नहीं, please continue, Tulsa.
We are planning to do yoga in a week, 4 days in a week, and in starting, we are planning to do some basic yoga poses to strengthen our body. Maximum of the people that don't do yoga in daily routines, for them, I would like to do basic yoga poses for them, and after that, we'll start standing or flexibility, standing back bending or forward bending, like that. We will planning like that.
So, what is the importance of yoga? If I were to ask you, Tulsa, how do you think yoga can help students develop some concentration in studies as well? So, is there any benefit to that as well?
For concentration, I would like to say that we can practice some pranayam, like Brahman pranayam or Anulom pranayam, Kapalbhati. We can practice that for the concentration, or we can keep some other activity like Tatak or anything that would like to, help us to consider our in any work.
So what will be the difficulty like? I have not done yoga much. So can I come?
Yes, sure.
So as for somebody, for beginners, say Abhishek, क्या तुम योगा करते हो? Do you regularly do yoga?
Absolutely not. I do not do yoga, but I would like to join for this thing for sure. I would like to be a part of the yoga practice if it's made available on campus and we can also join from home. That would be a good thing to start from scratch. I would say it
हाँ
would be a
जरूर,
good new experience.
आगे जाके we can even stream the sessions, लाइव
Yes, that
स्ट्रीमिंग कर सकते हैं
yes, surely.
जो
So
हमारे ऑफ कैंपस ऑडियंस है उनके लिए, फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स.
We can.
Tulsa, anything you would like to share more about it?
I would like to say, for we can start in our room or in our corridor also. Our daily routines to make us strengthen and healthy. That's it.
तो गाइस वो फॉर्म हमने फ्लोट कर दिया है ऑलरेडी. द स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल हैज ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड अ फॉर्म. तो जो सब देख रहे हैं और तुलसा के आपने बात सुनी तो कि इवन बिगिनर्स कैन जॉइन एंड इट इज गुड फॉर कंसंट्रेशन एज वेल. विल बी डूइंग प्राणायाम्स एंड विल बी मीटिंग 4 times इन अ वीक सुबह के 7 बजे से. तो जरूर ज्वाइन कीजिएगा. Tulsa bhi rahegi and she will be guiding us through this and helping us out with it. She's professionally trained, so no need to be scared, and she's very experienced. So जरूर अच्छा रहेगा ये experience तुलसा.
It will be my first time. This is my first time that I
Thank you,
will.
Tulsa, for joining us tonight. And
Sorry, Abhishek, Tulsa was saying something.
oh, sorry.
It will be my first time that I will conduct yoga with my friends or uh, seniors.
Okay.
Before that, I was being with my friends only. So I will be happy with doing yoga with all of you, and it will be pleasure for me.
The community looks forward to it, Tulsa. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tulsa.
Thank you so much, Tulsa, for joining us tonight.
Thank you.
So guys, that was Tulsa and as you heard हमारा शुरू होने वाला है अभी जल्द योगा भी. तो फॉर्म भरिए जल्द से जल्द एंड सी यू देयर. तो अभिषेक आज न्यूज़ में कुछ है?
Yeah, I will get back to the news now from national news side. It was a tough day again for India in the India versus England Test series after the day 3 end of play. India are still trailing and they're still fighting to avoid the follow on, and the score looks like uh, the score is India is 257 for 6 at stumps on the end of day 3, and we'll still require 378 is the target to avoid the follow on. So it will be a tough fourth day of play as well. So that is one thing that is happening on the cricket front of things. And there is one more good news from the tennis side of things. Ankita Raina becomes the fifth Indian woman to feature in a Grand Slam main draw, and that's something to look forward to as Australian Open begins tomorrow. So there is some Indian action going on as well, and also in ISL, the current the last match, Northeast United and Hyderabad FC played out a 0-0 draw, and that is all from the Indian side of things. And back to you, Devanshu, for international news. How is it
इंटरनेशनल
looking at?
न्यूज़ भी क्रिकेटिंग वर्ल्ड में काफी एक्साइटिंग चीजें हो रही है. पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश हमारे दोनों भाई, उन लोगों का मैच था साउथ अफ्रीका एंड वेस्ट इंडीज के साथ. बांग्लादेश वर्सेस वेस्ट इंडीज वाज very good tough match and West Indies won and they're leading the series now. अभी 2 टेस्ट में से they have won the first one. whereas on the other side वहाँ पे पाकिस्तान और साउथ अफ्रीका में पाकिस्तान won to the match and they are leading the series 1-0 right now. वहाँ पे भी सेम अगेन 2 टेस्ट बाकी है. उधर ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन के साइड पे जोकोविच इज चेजिंग हिज 9th ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन. काफी मैं तो सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ जोकोविच को काफी. मैं हूँ I'm hoping Federer also qualifies or he plays at least comes back on circuit. And Nadal भी अपना रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने का सोच रहे हैं, स्लैम रिकॉर्ड्स. He might just come neck to neck with Federer and beat him also. तो अच्छा ही चल रहा है इंटरनेशनल में भी. Things are resuming back to normalcy. So
I'm glad you mentioned Australian Open because that's something that I'm really looking forward to as well. I'm a Rafael Nadal fan, so looking forward to some great matches to be played on the Australian Open side. So tough matches to look forward to, and I think we'll have a good couple of weeks in tennis as well.
yes.
So thanks for that update, Devanshu. And that is all from the sports side of things we have for you this weekend. And stay safe, stay inside. Please do join us for the offline sessions of the yoga as we earlier mentioned, and we look forward to your company as well. So that's it from my side of things, and as well as Devanshu. We'll catch you on the other side of the next week. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.
Bye guys.